Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I am here with my another video. And my this video is about some different length of heel and really beautiful design and different color combination. And as you see, this heel looks really nice, a very beautiful and amazing kind of heel. And this one is also a very beautiful kind of black color heel that looks really nice and amazing and looks very pretty. And watch this video till the end, then you will get some ideas about the different kind of heels that can help you to upgrade the collection of your heels and make it more interesting and more beautiful and pretty. And as you see, this one is also a very beautiful white color heel that looks really amazing and very beautiful kind of heel. And as you see, this one is also a very beautiful pink color, and that looks really nice and amazing. And as you know, he's that type of footwear that you can wear with your every kind of outfit, like it's Eastern or it's Western. It look really beautiful with both and enhance your personality, make your outfit more pretty, and make it more interesting and more beautiful. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So today's video is about to end. Bye bye and take care, and thanks for watching this video till the end.